Hello everyone, welcome back to the Enterprise Data, BI and AI Architecture series. In the previous episode, we discussed ETL, ELT and stream processing. We understood that transformation is not just a technical activity, it is an architecture decision. Sometimes we transform data before loading. Sometimes we load raw data first and transform later. And sometimes we transform events continuously as they flow. Now the next question is, how do we organize this transformation journey inside a modern enterprise data platform? This is where Medallion architecture becomes useful. You may have heard the terms bronze, silver and gold. But these are not just fancy layer names. They represent a practical way to move data from raw form to trusted business value. So in this episode, we will understand Medallion architecture from an enterprise architecture point of view. Before we talk about bronze, silver and gold, let us understand why layers are needed. When data comes from source systems, it is not always ready for business use. ERP data may have technical codes, CRM data may have duplicates, files may have missing values, API data may have nested JSON, IoT data may have continuous event noise. If we directly use this raw data for reporting, business users may see wrong or confusing numbers. At the same time, we should not throw away raw data too early. Raw data is useful for audit, troubleshooting, reprocessing and future use cases. So we need a structured journey. One layer to preserve raw data, one layer to clean and standardize data, one layer to prepare business ready data. This is the core reason Medallion architecture exists. Let us define Medallion architecture simply. Medallion architecture is a layered data design pattern where data moves through progressive quality stages. Bronze is the raw or source aligned layer. Silver is the cleaned, validated and standardized layer. Gold is the curated, business ready layer. As data moves from bronze to silver to gold, it becomes more trusted, more reusable and more meaningful for business consumption. This pattern is especially common in Lakehouse architecture. But the thinking is useful beyond one specific platform. It gives teams a shared language. When someone says bronze, the team understands it means raw or source aligned. When someone says silver, the team understands it means cleaned and standardized. When someone says gold, the team understands it means business ready and consumption focused. The bronze layer is usually the first layer of the platform. This is where data lands from source systems. The goal of bronze is to preserve data close to the way it arrived. For example, CRM API responses may land as raw JSON. RP extracts may land as source-aligned tables. Files may land with file metadata. CDC events may land with insert, update and delete indicators. IoT events may land with event timestamps. Bronze is important for traceability. If something goes wrong later, we can go back and check what was received from the source. If a business rule changes, we can reprocess from bronze. If we need audit support, bronze helps preserve history. But bronze is usually not meant for direct business reporting. It may contain duplicates, technical names, raw formats, and source-specific structures. So bronze is valuable, but it is not business ready. The silver layer is where raw data becomes more reliable. In silver, we clean the data. We remove duplicates, we validate mandatory fields, we convert data types, we standardize date formats, we rename technical columns, we handle missing values, we apply basic quality rules, we join reference data, we standardize entities like customer, product, location, region, currency and calendar. The main purpose of silver is reuse. Instead of every report team cleaning customer data separately, the platform provides a standardized customer data set. Instead of every team mapping product codes differently, silver can provide a common product structure. So silver is not just a technical transformation layer. It is the layer where enterprise standardization begins. It helps reduce repeated work and improves consistency across downstream reporting and analytics. The gold layer is the business ready layer. This is where data is shaped for business consumption. Gold data is usually designed around business use cases. For example, sales performance, customer 360, inventory insights, finance summary, operational KPIs. Gold contains business rules. For example, how do we calculate revenue? How do we calculate margin? What is an active customer? What is available inventory? How do we define target achievement? These rules should be agreed with business owners. Gold data may feed Power BI semantic models, dashboards, Excel, APIs, applications, machine learning models, and AI systems. So gold is not just clean data. Gold is business aligned data. It is designed for decisions. Let us take a simple sales example. In bronze, we land raw CRM opportunity data, ERP invoice data, and Excel sales target files. This data is close to how it arrived from the source. In silver, we clean and standardize it. We align customer IDs. We standardize product codes. We validate dates. We remove duplicates. We handle currency conversion. We map sales regions. In gold, we create a sales performance data product. This may include revenue, pipeline value, target achievement, sales by region, product performance, customer performance, and monthly trends. Then this gold data can feed a semantic model and Power BI dashboard. So Medallion architecture gives us a controlled journey from scattered source data to trusted business insight. Medallion architecture helps in several ways. First, traceability. Because bronze preserves raw data, we can trace back to the source. Second, reusability. Because silver creates standardized datasets, multiple teams can reuse the same prepared data. Third, data quality. Each layer can apply specific quality checks. Fourth, consumption readiness. Gold creates data products that are ready for BI, analytics, applications, and AI. Fifth, scalability. As the platform grows, the layered structure prevents confusion. Teams know where raw data belongs, they know where clean data belongs, they know where business ready data belongs. Without this structure, the platform can become a mix of random files, tables, reports, and transformations. Medallion architecture brings order to the platform. Gold layer is important, but gold layer alone is not the final answer.
Beyond modern architecture, the next question is whether this trusted data can become a governed data product with ownership, quality access rules, and reuse value. We will discuss this deeply in Module 9.
A common misunderstanding is thinking that Medallion architecture means creating 3 folders: bronze folder, silver folder, gold folder. But that alone is not architecture. The real value comes from the purpose of each layer. What type of data is allowed in bronze? What cleaning rules are applied in silver? What business rules are applied in gold? Who owns each dataset? Which layer is certified for reporting? Who can access which layer? How is data quality measured? How is lineage tracked? So, bronze, silver, and gold are not just storage locations, they are quality and governance boundaries. If the rules are not clear, the platform can still become messy even if the folders exist. Let us look at common mistakes. The first mistake is reporting directly from bronze. Bronze is usually raw and source aligned, so it may not be safe for business reporting. The second mistake is skipping silver. If every gold data product cleans data independently, we lose reuse and consistency. The third mistake is duplicate gold logic. For example, revenue may be calculated differently in sales, finance, and executive dashboards. The fourth mistake is unclear ownership. If no one owns the silver customer dataset or gold sales data product, trust issues will appear. The fifth mistake is pushing too much transformation into BI reports. This creates duplicate logic and inconsistent numbers. Medallion architecture works best when each layer has a clear purpose, owner, quality expectation, and consumption rule. From an enterprise architecture point of view, Medallion architecture is more than a technical pattern. It is a governance and reuse model. Bronze answers the question, what did we receive from the source? Silver answers the question, what is the cleaned and standardized version of this data? Gold answers the question, what business-ready data product can be consumed? This structure helps multiple teams work together. Data engineers may focus on bronze and silver. Analytics engineers may work on silver and gold. BI teams may consume gold through semantic models. Governance teams may define access, quality, lineage, and certification. Business owners may validate gold metrics and definitions. So, Medallion architecture creates a shared operating model for enterprise data. Let us close with the key takeaway. Medallion architecture helps organize enterprise data from raw to trusted to business ready. Bronze preserves source aligned raw data. Silver cleans, validates, standardizes, and enriches data. Gold delivers curated business-ready data products for BI, analytics, applications, and AI. But remember, the value is not just in creating 3 layers. The real value comes from defining the purpose, quality rules, ownership, access, lineage, and consumption pattern of each layer. In the previous episode, we discussed where transformation should happen using ETL, ELT, and stream processing. In this episode, we organize that transformation journey into bronze, silver, and gold layers. In the next episode, we will go one level deeper into how these transformations are actually executed. We will discuss data processing engines like Spark, SQL, pipelines, and orchestration.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.